Good morning, everybody. Today we're down here at Lake Taneycomo, or should I say Table Rock Lake Dam, a pull-off right off the road. And I'm at the top, the very first top spot, and it's pretty windy today. I was going to use my phone camera to zoom in on the Shepard of the Hills construction, so I'll see what exactly we can see with this camera. I don't know if I'm going to use my phone one because it'll just be wind noise. So this one's probably picking up the wind noise. So if you would, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Consider becoming a member. Thanks for watching. Check out all our other videos, and here we go. But there's the little construction area. You can see the building going up right across the way there. Yeah, it's really windy today, so I'll have to come back down here on a day it's not so windy maybe, or I'll put a little clip in maybe on my phone, zoomed in, and just put some music over it. We'll see. But at the top spot you get a really good view of Table Rock Lake Dam here. And they're doing some construction on the road on top. It's actually down to one lane, so doing some construction up there, doing something. But there's the dam. The fish hatchery is all the way over there, and we're, like I said, we're on top down here. So I'm gonna walk around, see if we can get a good view from a little couple other vantage points. View of the dam, maybe of the fish hatchery, Chateau on the Lake Hotel and Resort, a resort up there. So with that, let's walk around this way, and we'll go see if there's a couple different viewing areas we can check out along the way here to get a little better view of the dam and maybe the fish hatchery. They got these rock stairs here going up. See if we can get a view on the top of here. Trees in the way, pine trees. If it was just the other ones, the leaves are all off, so. But we'll cruise down. Oh man, you can actually see some land right out there. It is low down there today. And right over there is where they release water from the bottom of the dam. And I mean, that don't even look like it's moving, so yeah, I don't think they got any water coming into Lake Taneycomo right now. But then we got some more stairs. Just a little thing, you can go up, go down, and then go up again. Get a couple of different views. I wonder if those are like concrete things. Probably to make sure nobody can get any closer to the dam there. No boats can get close or anything. Because it is cool when the water is flowing out of the top, out of the gates. That is cool, which they haven't done that in a long time. The gates haven't been open. But trying to just give you guys some of the different vantage points, I guess you call them, viewing points of the dam here at this first little pull-off. And it's just before Table Rock Lake Dam, or just after, depending which way you're coming from. So, but yeah, it helps that it's winter time and the leaves are all off the trees, so you can see a little better view of the dam from this spot. But I mean, in the summertime when all these trees have leaves on them and stuff, still see it, but blocks the view. Just wanted to stop and give a little view at the top. I don't video too much at the top because I like to get down on the lake and walk around on the bottom of the lake. But every once in a while I like to get a view of the top. So pretty cool. I'll walk right over here. There's a little, nothing major, a little trail here that takes you down to a little viewing vantage point. But definitely don't want to sleep here. It would not feel too good going down. Watching my step. Yeah, here's a, yeah, that wouldn't feel too good. But we were just right over there by that stream coming in, walking around on the lake. So yeah, pretty low. Then we got some land showing over here in the middle. There's a view from this side. And let's see. There's the fish hatchery. I'm a little closer. So, looks like they got some buildings going up. Construction's working. Looks like they're working hard, but what's this? This is February now. 2024, yeah, so I can say next year now. 2025 sometime it's supposed to open, is what I heard. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool viewing area from the top, so walk back up here and see what else we can get. I think that's pretty much all the different viewing spots, the good viewing spots from the dam. One time we were with the kids, and I'll walk over this way a little bit and show you guys the trail. I mean, I don't remember how far it goes, but there is a little trail that goes back here. Yeah, it's supposed to be a windy day. Probably even picking up the wind noise on this camera, so that's why I really didn't get the phone out, because I knew you guys would just hear wind noise. So hopefully it's a decent video for you guys though. Cloudy day today. Kind of blowing away, partly cloudy, but here's the little trail I was talking about towards the end here. You can walk out, walk around. And if you're daring, they do got some different little trails going off of the main trail. Get you a little closer to the edge. Oh, this is gonna be a good view right here. Oh man, this takes you way out. Not way out, but hey, there's a bird or hawk or something flying. But little cliff area. There's the dam. Yeah, that guy's just flying around. Whatever it is. And there's the Shepherd of the Hills fish hatchery right out there. Yeah, that guy's just flying around. Not sure. I would imagine the camera's picking him up. Yeah, didn't really see any ducks down there or geese, but it is February, so maybe they all flew south for the winter. But yeah, the lake is it's just calm close to the dam. I don't think they got water coming in from the bottom, top, no water coming in at all right now. That must mean Table Rock Lake, its water levels must not be doing too good either. Pretty cool though. Yeah, you can get a pretty good view of the buildings going up there for the fish hatchery. But if you're visiting the Branson area, like I said, this little pull-off is just before the dam or just after the dam, depending which way you're coming from. Chateau of the Lake's over there, so if you're coming from Chateau of the Lake on the lake, it would be after the dam. If you're coming from the other direction, it'll be before the dam. Little pull-off. So, pretty cool view of the lake though, that's for sure. Definitely recommend checking it out, enjoying the view, the scenery, if you're in the Branson area. That's that's gonna do it from the look at Lake Taneycomo and the Table Rock Lake Dam from up above this little pull-off spot. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you would, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Consider becoming a member. Check out all our other videos. Make sure to turn on the notifications so you know when I got new videos releasing, coming out. But thanks for watching. And with that, we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Here's a little bit of bonus footage from my phone camera. The wind calmed down a little bit, but there's a look at the construction update of Shepard of the Hills Fish Hatchery there. Just a quick clip. Coming along. See the buildings being put up. Supposed to open in 2025.